the blades. Okay, but yeah, for me it's okay right here. And you have a sticker, and you can put it here. So let's put it, because this is the 0.1, and maybe I will buy another one, the smaller version, or maybe the larger version of these engravers. Yeah, I don't know if you can put it in the center, but yeah, whatever. It's the important is we have the guide that it's the 0.1. Okay, so here 0.1 millimeter. They are the same color. Nice one, man. So yeah, you can see this in motion, or you can see this that I will use this one on my live builds, because yeah, I have a new format already. As I told you, we have a new format of doing vlogs for Gunpla, because yeah, I realized that I will not do any kind of talking reviews already, because it really takes time for me, because I need to make some scripts before I can make a review. Okay, so yeah, for now it will not be a review anymore. It will be just a a Gunpla showcase. Yeah, so I'll just put it out because I will use it also. And yeah, this is it. This is your steady, and this is, where's the steady? Okay, yeah, this is your steady engraver and handle. Am I right? Yeah, pusher handle. Okay, so it's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell to inform to our next videos. Okay, so in order to see the action for this tool, you watch my live builds so that you can see it, because I will use this one in order to make some new and to dip some panel lines. All right, let's go, and that's it. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. Whew, steady. Thank you, and maybe sometime next time. That's it. Thank you, and goodbye.